The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a revolution on wheels. For the first time in history, Cadillac has taken its legacy of American luxury and bold innovation into the world of motorhomes. The result? A breathtaking fusion of opulence, power, and independence. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style, turning every journey into a five-star retreat. Built on Cadillac's new Ultium-based platform, this motorhome is available in both fully electric and traditional V8 hybrid powertrains. The electric variant offers a driving range of over 400 miles on a single charge, with ultra-fast charging capability that gets you back on the road in under 45 minutes. Meanwhile, the V8 hybrid version is designed for long-haul performance and classic power delivery, ideal for cross-country travelers who want the best of both worlds. Inside, the motorhome feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury apartment suite. Premium hand-stitched leather, walnut wood paneling, and LED mood lighting wrap every inch of the interior in sophistication. A retractable queen-sized bed, gourmet-grade kitchen with induction cooktop, and a rainfall shower bathroom offer the comforts of home, and then some. The main lounge features heated reclining chairs, a 60-inch 4K smart display, and built-in surround sound, turning any campsite into a personal cinema. Cadillac's advanced SmartDrive system with semi-autonomous driving lets you relax on highways with confidence. Lane centering, adaptive cruise, trailer support, and 360-degree camera integration are standard, while augmented reality navigation and voice-activated controls add futuristic flair to your travel experience. The roof features integrated solar panels to support off-grid living, charging onboard systems and maintaining climate control even when unplugged. As for pricing, Cadillac hasn't held back. The entry-level V8 hybrid model starts at approximately $225,000, offering unmatched luxury in its category. The all-electric Ultium model begins at $310,000, packed with cutting-edge technology and environmental benefits. For those who want the best of everything, the fully loaded Platinum Edition, with bespoke interiors, upgraded tech, and concierge services, comes in at around $475,000. Cadillac has confirmed the first public reveal will take place in November 2025, with official production beginning shortly after. Pre-orders open by the end of the year, and customer deliveries are expected to start by March 2026. Initial availability will focus on North America, with select international markets to follow based on demand. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just another luxury RV. It's a bold declaration that the future of road travel can be elegant, powerful, and environmentally forward. Whether you're crossing deserts, exploring national parks, or parking at the edge of the ocean, this motorhome ensures you do it all without ever leaving behind the Cadillac experience.